Thank you.
may be able to give further insight. It was very powerful.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. You had a question.
So, I'm sorry, I'm still trying to figure out, I know that this was a study that was concentrating on knowledge management specifically, but I can't help thinking that it just echoes what we do every single day and every single project when we're trying to measure our indicators, right? We're collecting indicators and we're measuring we're looking at the causal linkages that we can measure between output, outcome, and impact. And I'm thinking that almost every project is going to have something like this where we can control and we can measure how many classes we've given, and that might be our output, and then our outcome, which we can also measure is how many people actually attended the class, and then we can come up with a measure to figure out whether there's an impact. Did they actually apply what they learned? And we could look at that based on, I don't know, what it is that we might have been teaching them, maybe how to set up a computer system to collect taxes, how much revenue did you actually collect, or something like that. If you could just speak to that.
Oh, absolutely. And I think we are in complete agreement in terms of the outputs and the outcomes. Where the question is, you train people. Number one, do they apply what you have trained them in? And they may not for various reasons. Maybe you've trained somebody in an agricultural practice that would be fantastic for Kenya, and then they end up being posted in Azerbaijan. So there is that. But there's also, even if you train them for this and they're in the right spot and they apply what they've learned, we want to go even further and say, so has that led to an improvement?
An improvement, an impact,
a change.
Economics.
For the community, for the country, exactly, and that's a step further,
so
which
that
we're.
Is a microcosm, of applying knowledge, of managing knowledge, of measuring. The gentleman left who was talking about baseline and measuring.
Right.
I mean, I think we do that already. I think USAID does that already on a microcosm.
USAID is not yet at a comfortable level where it says, we invest in knowledge management and it's a good thing and this is what has happened because of it. And that is the narrative that we're currently seeking, if you will. Yeah. Any other nuggets you'd like to share? Well, thank you so much. I hope you will come and visit us, visit our website. And if you have any other ideas, challenges, questions, please send them to us by email. And once again, Stacy is really very sorry that she's stuck in Banjul as opposed to being here talking about this project.